Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Mahaganadhipataye. Good evening to all. So I'm continuing the questions in arithmetic progression. So question number 11 in 5B exercise R.S. Agrawal. Question number 11 in exercise 5B R.S. Agrawal. Okay. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 28 and the sum of whose squares is 216. Given A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is 28, where A1, A2, A3 are in AP. Okay. And the sum of whose squares means A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square plus A4 square is 216. This is what given. Okay. And what we have to find out? We need to find out all the 4 terms. Okay. The problems, there, see, if you take A1 as A, A2 as A plus D, A3 as A plus 2D, A4 as A plus 3D and so on, you will get the answer, but it will take more time. But there are some patterns. 3 numbers in AP, if we take them like this, solving problem is easy. 3 numbers, if he is talking about 3 numbers which are in AP, if we consider the numbers like this, A minus D, A plus D, problem solving is easy. That is what you have to understand, children. Okay, suppose if the problem is talking about 4 numbers in AP, we need to consider them as like this: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. If the problem is talking about 4 numbers which are in AP, so we can consider the 4 numbers like this, so that solving the problem is easy. Understood? Now, if we are talking about 5 numbers which are in AP, 5 numbers which are in AP, so A minus 2D, A minus D, a plus b, a plus 2b. We have to consider like that. Why sir, why we have to take like that? Only one answer from my side is, if we consider the numbers like that, solving the problem is easy. That is what I can say. That's all. Only single sentence. No sir, we will not take like that. General will take. In general we will consider. Even though you will get the answer, but it will take more time. But in case of examination, means examination point of view, it is not suggestible. Whatever you think is not suggestible. So you can consider the numbers like this. 3 numbers, a minus d, a plus d. 4 numbers, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. 5 numbers, a minus d, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay na? దీని వెనకాల ఏదో పెద్ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉందో అనుకోమాకండి. What is the concept behind it means? It makes problem easy. Okay. So at present the given problem, there are 4 terms which are in AP. Their sum is 28 and sum of their squares is 216. We need to find out those numbers. Okay. As I told you before, consider A1 as a minus 3d plus a minus b plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 28. Is equal to 28. So here minus 3d plus 3d cancel, minus d plus d cancel, 4a 28, a 7. Immediately we are getting a value. That is the importance of taking the numbers like this. Okay. Now a1 square, that means a minus 3d whole square plus a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square plus a plus 3d whole square equal to 216. This is what given. Okay. Can anyone say how to simplify this equation in an easy manner? How to simplify this equation, this one, in an easy manner? Can anyone? By using identities. Okay. What else? Anyone? Taking squares common, adbhutam. Means you want to put whole square, eh? Tell me. You want to put whole square. So can we take like that? A square plus b square, can we write it as a plus b whole square? Dash. It is also wrong. Dash, you also wrong. You did wrong. Shyam, wrong. So I will give you an idea here. See, a minus 3d whole square plus a plus 3d whole square plus a minus d whole square plus a plus d whole square is equal to 216. I gave you an idea. Correct, Darsh. Now correct. Children, we have a identity that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is twice of a square plus b square. We have an identity like that. a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times of a square plus b square. Okay. Now, observe this one and this one. A minus 3d whole square plus a plus 3d whole square. So here I can write 2 times of a square plus b square, and here also I can write 2 times of a square plus b square is equal to 260. Now 2a square plus 18d square. 3d whole square is 9d square into 2, 18d square. Plus 2a square, 2d square is equal to 216. 3d whole square, it becomes 9d square. So 9d square into 2, 18d square. Now 2a square plus 2a square, 4a square, 18d square plus 2d square, 20d square is equal to 216. Now we have a7, we have a value 7. So substitute that value and find out d value. We have a7 na? Substitute a value and find out d. Seven square 49, 49 fours are 49 fours are how much? 50 fours are 200. 200 minus 4, 196. 196, 216 minus 196. It is 20. So 20d square is 4 into 7 square plus 20d square is 216. This is 196. 20d square b square 1, b plus or minus 1, d value plus or minus 1. D value plus or minus 1. Okay. Now we have A, we have D. Now consider, if A is 7, D is 1, then write the 4 terms. Write A1, A2, A3, A4. First, consider A7, D1. Then what is A1? A minus 3D. A1 is A minus 3D. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 1, that is 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 3, 10. So the 4 terms are 4, 6, 8, 10. Now you take, if A is 7 and D minus 1, then what are the numbers? If A is 7 and D 1, then Even then also no change in answers. 4, 6, 8, 10 I think. Yeah. Next one. Divide 32 into 4 parts. Divide 32 into 4 parts which are in AP such that product of first and fourth term is the product of second and the third term. 7:15. We need to divide 32 into 4 parts. That means into 4 numbers which are in AP. Divide 32 into 4 parts and all those 4 parts are in AP. Okay. Very good, Amulya. Then what is asking? Ratio is given. What? First part and fourth part ratio means A minus 3D into A plus 3D by A minus D into A plus D, given as 7/15. It is given as 7/15. A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D. We have 32, so automatically A8. Automatically A8. Now children, find out D. Find out D. Once again, I try to understand the problem. We need to divide 32 into 4 numbers. Given those 4 numbers are in AP. That means A1, A2, A3, A4 are in AP. Consider A1 as A minus 3D, A2 as A minus D, A3 A plus D, A4 A plus 3D. Their sum is given 32. So here minus 3D plus 3D cancel, minus D plus D cancel. 4A 32 and A is 8. 4A 32, A is 8. Now, what is the second condition given? Product of first and last term divided by product of second and third term. That ratio is 7/15. We need to find out all the 4 terms. Do it fast. What identity we can apply over here? What is the identity that we can apply here? No one is talking. Observe the numerator and denominator. What identity we can apply? Only 3. Yes, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So here numerator becomes a square minus 9d square, a square plus a square minus b square is 7 by 15. It is 7 by 15. And we have a value 8. A value 8 we have. Substitute and find d value. దేవుడి కోసం కదా తెచ్చింది అయితే తీసేసేయండి అక్కడ తినేస్తున్నావే నువ్వు దేవుడికి నైవేద్యం పెట్టకుండా. మొత్తం తినేసారు తినేసి మొత్తం plus or minus 2, is that right? 8 square into 64. 64 minus 9 d square by 64 minus d square is 7 by 15. Do cross multiply. Do cross multiply and simplify. Seven. 15a square minus 135 d square equal to 7a square minus 7d square. అది ఈజీ కదా, దీనికంటే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయకుండా సింప్లిఫై చేయడం ఈజీ కదా. ఫిఫ్టీన్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 135 d square equal to 7a square minus 7d square. So 15a square minus 7a square minus 7d square plus 135d square. So this one it becomes 8a square. 8a square is equal to 128d square. 8a square equal to 128d square. Now substitute a value. D plus or minus 2 sure? Eight into 8 square equal to 128 d square. 8 into 8 square means 8 into 64, let it be, by 128 is equal to d square. 2 4 d square 4, d plus or minus 2. D square 4, d plus or minus 2. So A8, D2. Write down all the four numbers. A value 8, D value 2. Higher order questions here. So if A8 D2, then A minus 3 into 2, A minus 2 a minus a plus 2, a plus 3 into 2. 3 2 are 6 into 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14 are the four numbers. They are the four numbers. Okay. Last question for today. If the numbers A7, B23, C, A7, B 23, C are in AP, find ABC. The numbers A7, B23, C, they are in AP. We need to find out ABC values. I think you know how to solve this problem. D8 है. How D8 है? Aditya, middle term A1 plus A3 by 2 is equal to A3 है. B minus 7 equal to 23 minus B. Very good, Amulya, good thought. Good thought. కానీ నీకు వచ్చిన థాట్ ఎవరికి రాదా అమూల్య అది, బట్ నైస్. అయితే ఇక్కడ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. కెన్ ఐ రైట్? These two, what are these two? A plus D, A plus 3D. What are they? This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So A1 is A, A2 7. That means A plus D 7. And A plus 3D 23. So A plus 3D 23, A plus D 7. Subtraction. 2D 16, D 8. 2D 16, D 8. If D is 8, what is A? A negative 1. A negative 1. Okay. Now what is B? B value A plus 2D minus 1 plus 2 into 8. 15. B value 15. Now what is C? C is A5, na? Which is A plus 4D. Minus 1 plus 4 into 8. 33. 33 mein hai? Yeah, 31, sorry. 31. So A, B, C values. A minus 1, B 15, C 31. Okay, na? Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much. Click on the like button fast. Like button दबाइए. Tejal, take the attendance, Nana. Take the attendance. Okay. Thank you very much. Click on the like button. You are not doing. Click on the like button.